Right, so we're in our Rover 75 2003, although as far as I know this should be the same for all the range of the 75s. And I thought I'd just do this short little video where we're changing the pedal foot rubbers, and we're doing it in our 45s and our 75s. The 45s you can change the brake and the clutch. In the 75s you can only change the clutch rubber pedal easily, as the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal appear to be moulded more into the actual pedal, whereas the clutch is more the traditional rubber pedal. As you can see, it's looking pretty worn. We managed to found these on eBay, and actually at the moment there's a couple of companies selling the replacement rubber foot pedals, which is really good, and they seem to be as good as the original ones that come off. On the listings they actually say they're for sort of Rover 25s and 45s, but when you look it does imply they could fit Rover 75s depending on whether the pedals are suitable. On both of ours, our 2001 and this one 2003, it is the clutch pedal you can change, and it's fairly simple to do, and actually these rubber pedals seem to come off a lot easier than other pedals we've had to do. And all I tend to do is literally pull off the edge like that from the bottom, pull off the other edge and just pull it away from the top, and as you can see it's looking pretty worn compared to the new pedal, so it's something worth doing. Actually, lucky enough they're not as expensive as we thought they might be. I think we paid around about £4 something just for the two pedals, so yeah, I think it's well worth doing. And hopefully, technically, if the rubber pedals or the rubber covers have lasted the life of the car so far, changing these with the sort of mileage we do, hopefully they shouldn't need doing again. Right, so putting the new rubber pedal cover back on, what I tend to do, and they seem to fit on fairly well, even they don't seem to need warming up in warm water or anything. As you see, what I do is push it down onto the top, and then from the bottom just peel it over, check it's going round, your finger under the other side, pull it round, and the pedal rubbers on. And not only does it look better, but it certainly should be a lot safer as well, and your foot should be less likely to slip off. So yeah, it's one of those sort of simple jobs that you kind of never get around to doing, or as I said when we looked before, we actually haven't seen pedals that sort of easily available, or they've been sort of what we consider ridiculously dear for a fairly straightforward product, really, whereas these were at a good price, lots of available, so it's giving us a chance to change our rubber foot pedals. I thought it might be just worth covering the video, as it might be something you've not thought of or you never get round to doing, and what a difference it can make, and hopefully not too an involved job as well, really no tools needed at all. As always, don't forget to check out our Facebook and Twitter page and look back at some of the other videos we do, especially if you just come across this video. It's well worth looking at our channel and seeing some of the other stuff we do on our Rover 75s and 45s.